You can now build entire home pages on WordPress and Elementor by simply prompting AI. For example, I built this home page by simply prompting AI. I also built this Elementor landing page using AI entirely, just like this over here. And I also built this one using AI without actually going into the dashboard of WordPress and making changes right there. So I did everything here in Claude, where I gave it the instructions of what I wanted to be created, and it ended up creating pages like this. So to actually be able to connect your WordPress website to your AI agent, in this video I'll be using Claude, but it can be Gemini, it can be ChatGPT, it can be Copilot, whatever you are using. We need to have a bridge, and that bridge is what we call the MCP connector. We have a nice plugin in WordPress currently, it's called Novamira, which enables us to create that bridge and connect with our AI agent with our WordPress website. So here I'm going to go to plugins, I'm going to say add a new plugin. This is basically a fresh install of WordPress, so nothing is on this website. So you will come to this website called Novamira and download the free plugin, and come here to your plugins area and then install that plugin. So I'll upload and then install the plugin. And right now I have so many plugins installed because this is a new WordPress installation and it comes with these default plugins. So I'm going to deactivate all of them, just leaving Novamira active. So delete those plugins. I'll make sure that I update. So I have it now updated. And there we go. So what do we have to do now to connect our WordPress website or Elementor website to our AI agent? In this case, I'm using Claude. I'm going to open Novamira. So come here to configurations. Make sure that you turn on AI abilities, save changes. And we are going to create what they call an application password. Create it. And that will give you instructions below here how you can connect your AI agent. If you are using your AI agent via a web browser, you can just copy this here and paste it into your AI agent. But at the moment, I'm using Cloud Desktop, which is this up here. I'm going to come just below here and I say need a JSON configuration for a specific client. I'm using Cloud Desktop, but for those of you who are using Codex, Anti-Gravity, Casa, VS Code, you can also pick those details from right over here and add them to your client. So in this case, I'm using Cloud Desktop. I'll come over here when my Cloud Desktop is open, go to settings and go to developer, and I'll say edit config file. That will open for me a file like this over here that reads cloud_desktop_config.json. For Windows computers, it may look a bit different, but it should end with .json. So here you can say edit with Visual Studio Code in case you have it installed on your computer, or you can just say edit with a text editor, so it will open up in a text editor like this. So in my case, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. Since I'm using Cloud Desktop, I'm going to come over here and just copy this part of the code right over here, just like that. And I'll come here to my code editor in this case, or text editor in your case, and paste that code and add a comma right over here. I've now merged my new MCP server for WordPress and also the default preferences file for Cloud, which enables actually Cloud to perform well on your computer without issues. What I'm going to do is now save changes and I'll close this. And now I'm going to come and close Cloud and reopen it again. So once it's open again and I click here on the add button and I come to connectors, I should be able to see my WordPress connection. If you don't see it there, then you can as well just come back here to the settings, come to developer, and here you'll see that your WordPress connection is actually running. However, if it's not running and instead showing failed, then check out the video linked in the description of this video that shows you how to fix the issue in case your Novamira connection to WordPress is not working. So on the other hand, if you are not using VS Code, but you are using a normal text editor on your computer, this is how the merged file would look like. So you have the default file that was there and our newly added or merged file with our MCP server to our WordPress website. So that is how it will look like. So just save it and then close Cloud and restart it again. Now we have established a bridge where we can communicate directly to our WordPress website from our AI agent. So I'm going to ask Claude, do you have access to my WordPress website? There we go. It says yes, it has full access to the WordPress website. And let me ask it to do for me a simple task. How many plugins do I have on my WordPress website? And there it goes ahead. So it tells me I have just one plugin installed. And when we come here to our plugins area, you see I have just one plugin installed on my WordPress website. Now let's do something a bit more fun. For now, we are going to install Elementor, and we are going to ask Claude to create us just one hero section on our Elementor website for a web design agency. So I'm telling it here to install the Elementor page builder and create a new page called Future Agency. On the new page, use Elementor v4 to create one hero using containers. So let's go. So it's making a plan to check the plugins, install Elementor, and then go ahead and start executing the task. It has created all the 3 tasks, installed Elementor, created a page called Future Agency, and then also created the hero section built using v4 containers. Let's go and check it out. Let me reload the homepage. No, it wasn't set as the homepage, so let me come back here to pages. And you see we have a new page called Future Agency. And when I say view the page, there we go. Yeah, this is the page and the first hero that has been created. Yeah, it doesn't look any good. And that is because, so we didn't give enough context to our AI right over here. But also we are using a bridge called Novamira. And in the free version of Novamira, it has no skills that are dedicated for the Elementor page builder. And with those skills, the AI gets a deeper understanding of how WordPress works and how even the Elementor page builder works within WordPress. So if you want to add those skills, you come over here to Novamira and you can either upload your own skills. For example, right over here, I'll upload my own skills. I'll upload a skill called brand voice. I'll add a skill called design quality, which tells the AI about how a good design should look like. And I'll also add my pre-published skill, which analyzes the created page or section. Now we've added our own skills. However, if you get Novamira Pro, it comes with pre-built skills. And those skills include how, for example, Elementor pages should be built. So if I take you here on this website, which I generated using AI, and I come here to Novamira, I come to skills. First of all, I have Novamira Pro on this website. And as you can see in the skills section, Novamira Pro, you see I have the Elementor convert to v4. So if you have an Elementor v3 website and you want to convert it to v4, there is a skill for that. And also basically an Elementor build page skill, which tells the AI how an Elementor page should be built, what it should have, and everything. So if you want to check out Novamira Pro, check out the link in the description of this video. It's an affiliate link, no extra cost to you, but it shows that you like the kind of content that I'm creating. All right, so back here to our website, since we've added some extra skills, we are going to ask the AI to improve the page. So basically to improve the hero section. So improve and then review the hero section. So let's go. Since I gave AI an extra skill, and that skill is enabling Claude to open up my browser and to inspect the created page, it's doing that right now. It has opened up an extra browser and is reviewing my created page. And you see here there is a mouse from Claude. After that, it is going to make changes based on what it has reviewed on the page. Yeah, so it has already made some changes. So this was the first version of the created page, and this is the second version of the created, hero section in this case. Here is a final review, and it gives us a visual score of what it saw and what has been changed. And then it also shows the remaining optional improvements that could be done. This is all based on the skills that we gave to Novamira. Now let's go and look at our improved hero section. Guess what? This looks much better than what we saw before. This was the one before, this is the one after. So that is all magic from Claude, but with just one extra thing that we did, adding custom skills. And of course, we can also access the content and widgets that have been added on our page. So in a nutshell, that's how I managed to build a page like this and one like this by simply prompting my AI agent, in this case Claude, and I'm able to build the pages in WordPress and Elementor. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down in the comments of this video. And also all links mentioned linked in the description of this video. Give a video a like if you liked it, and see you in the next one.